Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.